It's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Saver in the TaxQuips Forum with a mighty reasonable question. He says, I've just received a corrected mortgage statement for the tax year 2010. Because the amount is lower and I itemized in the return, I'm going to owe some money. The taxable state refund should be smaller for the tax year 2011, so I need to amend the tax returns for both 2010 and 2011, and then he proposes 4 alternatives on which way to go. I'll spare you the reading. Now, let's see what we tell him. Dear Saver, you're not going to need to amend both returns. You amend the 2010 to correct for the lower interest expense. That makes sense. But the state refund you received in 2011 doesn't change. You still received that amount in 2011, right? You're a cash basis taxpayer. That's when you report it. However, in 2012, you may find yourself having to pay a little extra to the state when you amend the 2010 state return. So, on your 2012 return, you'll be able to claim that additional state tax as a deduction. You only need to amend the one return in 2010. Now, for folks in general who need to amend 2 years, amend one return at a time. If there are no carryover changes from one year to the next, like depreciation adjustments, capital loss carryovers, and so forth, then each year stands alone. You can file them in separate envelopes on the same day. If there are carryover changes, then file the first return, wait 3 months for the changes to post, or until you get a letter from the IRS with reference to your amended return, then file the second one. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about amended returns and other tax issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.